When it comes to upgrading your car audio system, few debates come up more often than Pioneer versus Kenwood subwoofers. Both brands have been major players in the car audio industry for decades, and both have built loyal followings among enthusiasts. But if you're trying to decide where to spend your money, choosing between them isn't always easy. The truth is, both companies make excellent subwoofers. However, they approach bass reproduction differently, and understanding those differences can help you choose the one that best fits your listening style, budget, and performance goals. Pioneer has long been known for producing subwoofers that deliver powerful, hard-hitting bass. Their famous Champion series helped establish the brand as a favorite among bass enthusiasts who want maximum impact without spending a fortune. Pioneer has consistently focused on creating subwoofers capable of handling significant power while maintaining impressive low-frequency output. Kenwood, meanwhile, has earned a reputation for reliability, sound quality, and balanced performance. The company's excellent series in particular has become popular among listeners who want bass that's accurate, musical, and well integrated into the overall sound system rather than simply overwhelming everything else. Although both brands target a broad audience, their design philosophies often lead them in slightly different directions. Looking at their product lineups, Pioneer offers everything from affordable entry-level subwoofers to high-performance models designed for serious enthusiasts. Their Champion series remains one of the most recognizable subwoofer lines in the market thanks to its combination of affordability and performance. Higher-end Pioneer models focus heavily on power handling, output capability, and deep bass extension. Kenwood's lineup also covers a wide range of price points, but the company tends to place more emphasis on refinement and versatility. Their excellent series receives particular attention for its engineering, thermal management, and sound accuracy. Kenwood also offers excellent shallow-mount subwoofer options, making them attractive for vehicles where installation space is limited. Innovation is another area where both companies excel, though their priorities differ. Pioneer often focuses on increasing output capability through improved cone materials, surround designs, and motor structures. Kenwood frequently concentrates on efficiency, cooling systems, and maintaining consistent sound quality across different listening conditions. Price is often one of the biggest deciding factors for buyers. In general, Pioneer tends to offer exceptional value in the budget and mid-range categories. Many of their subwoofers provide impressive power handling and output levels for relatively affordable prices. For someone seeking maximum bass performance per dollar spent, Pioneer often stands out as one of the strongest options available. Kenwood products, particularly within the excellent range, can sometimes cost slightly more than comparable Pioneer models. However, many users feel the additional investment is justified by the improved sound quality, refined bass response, and long-term durability. Rather than focusing purely on output numbers, Kenwood often delivers value through engineering and overall listening experience. Of course, specifications only tell part of the story. The real difference becomes apparent once these subwoofers are installed and playing music. Pioneer subwoofers are often described as aggressive, punchy, and energetic. They excel at producing the kind of bass that immediately grabs your attention. Whether you're listening to hip-hop, EDM, trap, or modern pop music, Pioneer subs tend to emphasize impact and physical sensation. They're designed to make you feel every kick drum and bass drop. Many users appreciate how effortlessly Pioneer subwoofers can produce strong low-frequency output, especially when paired with a properly matched amplifier. Even their mid-range models often deliver performance that exceeds expectations for their price category. For listeners who prioritize volume and excitement, Pioneer frequently becomes the preferred choice. Kenwood takes a somewhat different approach. Rather than focusing solely on impact, Kenwood subwoofers often emphasize accuracy and control. Their bass response tends to be tighter and more detailed, allowing listeners to hear subtle nuances within bass lines that might otherwise get lost. This characteristic makes Kenwood particularly appealing for genres such as rock, jazz, acoustic music, and recordings where bass definition matters as much as bass quantity. Instead of dominating the soundstage, Kenwood subwoofers often blend naturally with the rest of the audio system. The result is a balanced presentation that feels cohesive and refined. Some listeners may find Kenwood's bass less aggressive than comparable Pioneer models, but many appreciate the increased precision and musicality. For those who value sound quality above sheer output, Kenwood frequently earns high marks. Build quality is another important consideration when investing in a subwoofer system. Pioneer has developed a reputation for building durable, dependable products capable of handling demanding conditions. Their Champion series models typically feature sturdy cones, durable surrounds, and robust motor assemblies designed to withstand prolonged high-output use. Many owners report years of reliable performance even when pushing their systems hard on a regular basis. Kenwood also scores highly in terms of durability. The company's attention to thermal management and cooling design helps reduce heat-related stress during extended listening sessions. Features such as advanced ventilation systems, reinforced spiders, and carefully engineered cone structures contribute to long-term reliability. Both brands generally offer dependable products when installed correctly and powered appropriately. In most cases, failures are more likely to result from improper installation or amplifier mismatches than from flaws in the subwoofers themselves. When comparing overall strengths, Pioneer and Kenwood each have areas where they clearly stand out. Pioneer typically shines when it comes to raw output. If your goal is to produce bass that turns heads, rattles mirrors, and creates a strong physical sensation, Pioneer often delivers more of that experience. The brand has built its reputation around producing exciting, energetic bass that appeals to enthusiasts who enjoy feeling every beat. Kenwood, on the other hand, often excels in sound quality applications. Their subwoofers tend to reproduce bass notes with greater accuracy and consistency, making them ideal for listeners who want their music to sound natural and balanced. Rather than overwhelming the rest of the system, Kenwood bass often complements it. Neither approach is inherently better. The right choice depends entirely on what you expect from your audio system. For beginners entering the world of car audio, Pioneer often represents one of the easiest recommendations. Their entry-level and mid-range subwoofers deliver immediate improvements over factory systems, provide excellent value, and don't require extremely expensive supporting equipment to sound impressive. They offer a straightforward path to stronger bass without complicated setup requirements. For buyers working within a strict budget, Pioneer frequently provides the best balance between cost and performance. Their ability to produce impressive output at affordable prices makes them a favorite among value-conscious enthusiasts. Performance-focused users who prioritize maximum loudness will also often gravitate toward Pioneer. Many of their higher-end subwoofers are specifically designed to handle substantial power and generate serious low-frequency impact. However, if your priorities lean towards sound quality and musical accuracy, Kenwood deserves serious consideration. The Excellent series, in particular, appeals to listeners who want bass that's detailed, controlled, and integrated seamlessly into the overall listening experience. Rather than simply adding more bass, these subwoofers aim to improve the quality of bass reproduction. Kenwood is also a strong option for long-term system builders. Their attention to engineering, cooling, and installation flexibility can make them especially attractive for drivers who plan to keep their systems for years. The availability of quality shallow mount options further increases their appeal for vehicles with limited installation space. So, which brand is actually better? The honest answer is that neither Pioneer nor Kenwood is universally superior. If your ideal system delivers deep, powerful bass that you can physically feel, Pioneer is likely the better fit. Their subwoofers excel at creating excitement, impact, and impressive output levels while remaining accessible to a wide range of budgets. If you prefer bass that's accurate, controlled, and musically refined, Kenwood may be the better choice. Their focus on sound quality, balance, and long-term reliability makes them particularly appealing to listeners who want a more sophisticated audio experience. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your personal preferences. Think about the music you listen to most often, the type of bass you enjoy, the available space in your vehicle, and your overall budget. The best subwoofer isn't necessarily the one with the biggest specifications or the loudest output. It's the one that delivers the listening experience you're looking for every time you start your car. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Also, check the Amazon links in the description below for the best deals on car subwoofers from Pioneer and Kenwood. Before you go, are you Team Pioneer or Team Kenwood? Let everyone know which brand you prefer and why. Thanks for watching.